This is how to fix Elden Ring not launching issue. For the first step, go to the search. After that, type in device manager, select this application right here. Now all you have to do is to search for display adapters. When you do find it, double click on it, and then you need to select your graphics card, either NVIDIA or AMD. Right click and select update driver. Select the first option. After that, click on close. Next, go to the Windows taskbar and click this upside arrow. You will find most likely the Steam icon appearing right here. If so, right click on it and select exit Steam in order to stop it from running in the background. Wait for a couple of moments. After that, reopen the Steam launcher again. Now go top left corner and select the Steam icon. After that, go to settings, go to downloads. After that, scroll down, select clear cache. After that, click on confirm. Now go to storage. After that, select the right drive that you have Elden Ring on. Click on these three dots. That click on repair library. Next, go to library and select collections. Search for Elden Ring. The game must be installed. Once you select it, click on this manage icon. After that, click on properties. Go to installed files in the left menu. After that, you need to ensure that you select the verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish till the end. Otherwise, the files of the game might be corrupted and not fully recovered. So once done, go to the Windows icon. After that, click on settings. You'll be right here in the home. So go to Windows Update. After that, click on this download and install all button. If you do have failed updates, make sure to select retry all. After all, you need to ensure that you have installed all the latest Windows updates to keep you updated and prevent any issue happening. If you do find this video is helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.